Okay mga kaibigan, back to the ball game here. 49.6 remaining in the third quarter. And a blistering 4-0 run anchored by Maki Escalona and Doug Kramer right now. And you can see the children right here enjoying the action. Mga anak po yan ni Commissioner Chino Trinidad. We'd also like to greet Commissioner who is watching this ball game via webcam.
That's right. Oo, mag-iingat ho kayo dyan. At we hope you're enjoying your stay and your coverage of the NBA Finals. So it's happening simultaneously.
Stay safe, calm, and we'll see you soon. In the meantime, ito mga kaibigan, what a great comeback from Cebuana Luwalier. Again, Maki Escalona, wala na tayong masabing iba for that player. He is just playing his heart out.
Splendid game being played right here. Very intelligent. Maki Escalona scoring 15 points, and the game is not yet over. With still 49.6 seconds here in the third quarter. Pero hindi natin napapansin, ano? 16 na rin pala ang ginagawa. Itong si Big Dog Kramer.
And the starters scoring right now, medyo malayo,
48 for Cebuana and only 29 for Harbor.
Asoro penetrates. There's Belga, is fouled underneath.
And another great assist by Edwin Asoro. Very strong move. I thought he was going to take it strong.
Well, that extra pass has been there for Harbor Center all throughout the series. And hanggang dito sa finals, yun pa rin ang inaasahan nila. For higher percentage shots, Bo Belga on the line.
But I'd like to take this opportunity, no? Kaibigan natin, si Mayor J.B.R. is getting married today. Dito lang sa may likod natin, sa may pinaglabanan church.
Congratulations, sir. Bo Belga ngayon. 3 points and 3 rebounds for the big man, Bo Belga. Make that 4 points.
Very soft touch for this big man. Just back to 1 point lead.
28 seconds remaining bago matapos ang third quarter. Escalona penetrates, spins, binigay kay Kramer, and he makes another one.
And his hand, I feel it. Doug Kramer is red hot in this game.
Tumuturo pa sa langit itong si Doug Kramer. Asking God and thanking God for giving him the skills. He is scoring at will here, together with his former teammate in Ateneo, Maki Escalona. And another infraction against Harbor Center. Sad turn of events dito sa dulo ng third quarter. Para sa kapunan dito ng Harbor Center as Asoro tries to get the steal. At mauubos na ang oras dito mga kaibigan. What a great quarter para sa kupunan ng Cebuana Luwalier. Pera padala, money men. Coach Luigi Trillo smiling right now because of the performance of his two players, Doug Kramer and Maki Escalona, taking offensive charge right now. We'll be back for the fourth and final quarter.
PBL would like to thank the following: Pure Gelato, Pocari Sweat.